Hey guys, at BV Madsen here. It is time to fill the 1972 CL350 with some oil. This is pretty straightforward, but there is a particular process that you need to follow. You don't just put it up on the center stand and fill it with oil, or have it on its side stand and fill it with oil. You gotta actually hold the bike level and fill this thing up with oil. So the first step, guys, just take your oil filler off. Okay, there you go. We've got our marks on this piece. That's gonna tell us the appropriate level. And yeah, it's gonna fill it up until we get oil, right there. Okay, pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna grab my oil and grab a funnel and let's get to work. All right, guys, it ain't rocket science. Grab yourself your funnel. Position your funnel. Wish I had a little longer neck funnel. All right, the oil that I'll be using is 10W40, and that is also indicated on the dipstick. It says use SAE 10W40. So that's what we're doing. 4-stroke motorcycle oil, okay? Don't just put car oil in these. This says at least excellent wet clutch protection. All right, so nothing but the best is going into this motorcycle, all right? So this one, it's not totally full, so I'm just gonna slowly start to add my oil, all right? You're gonna put 2 of these in. It's 2 full ones is where you should be. So pretty straightforward, adding oil to the motorcycle. Of course, you want to check, make sure you got your drain plug all tightened up on the bottom of the engine before you do this. Otherwise, you're gonna make a big mess. I did go ahead and check that. So we're good. I'm just gonna add oil. I'm gonna do 2 of these, and then we'll see where we're at on the dipstick. You don't even really need a funnel. All right, I've got probably 1 3/4 in now. So in order to adjust the oil level, what you want to do is you want to have it off of its stands, okay? So bring it down off of its center stand and balance the bike really evenly, okay? Just have it centered on both wheels, flat on the ground. We're on a flat surface as well. Insert your dipstick. But here's what you don't want to do. You don't want to take your dipstick and turn it all the way on, okay? That is not how you measure it. You actually drop it on, okay? Just drop it on. Don't screw it on. Just drop it on. There's a little groove that you want to deal with for that. So I'm going to pull it out. Since I went and screwed it in, I'm going to take it out, give my dipstick a little wipe, and then again, you're just going to take it. It goes in at a slight angle and just drop it in so it seats, and then pull it out and check our oil level. And yeah, I'm way low. I think I've probably got probably half a quart to add to this thing. The 1 can or bottle that I added to it, was not totally new. So I got some more oil to add. All right, back over on this side of the bike. I'm just gonna be really careful about how much I'm adding here. It was pretty low yet. I think I'm gonna put about a 1/4 quart in. Again, I love these little measurements that you can deal with on the side of this thing. You can kind of see how much you're putting in. I'll put just a little bit more. Let that settle, all right? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back over to this side of the bike. And again, not on any stands, okay? You're just gonna take your dipstick and drop it in. Just like that, on top, pull it out. Okay, got a little bit more. Yep, I was about half a quart short in that 1 quart that I put in. So, yep, got to add just a little bit more. Give her one more look. Again, straight up. Wheel, handlebars are straight as well. Insert, drop it down. And I look to be right on the money with this thing. Come over here, give you a look. That's what you're looking for. A little oil right up to that second groove on your dipstick. That's what you want. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna double check just to make sure we are good to go here. One more time, boom. And, where's the camera? There we go, boom. We're good, we're right on with our oil. Now all you can do is just go ahead and tighten that bad boy back on. Don't have to go crazy tight. Just put that in there just like that. There we have it, guys. What a video, huh? Pretty straightforward process. Just remember, don't fill the oil when the bike is on its stands, all right? You need to be having it sitting straight up with the handlebars, nice and straight, nice and level, on a level surface, and that's how we do it. Guys, really simple, but we're making progress. Let's keep adding parts to the 1972 CL350. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. Also, thumbs up the videos that you enjoy. If you want to support the channel, be sure to check out the links in the description so you can pick up some much needed shop supplies and tools that'll help you get your restoration or motorcycle project working out really well for you. So I appreciate the support, guys. We're gonna keep going today, all right? We're gonna knock out some videos. We might even see if we can get this thing to cough here after a little bit. All right, guys, thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video.